The future starts now. Welcome to AI versus humans.
Imagine it's 2:13 a.m. You're rushed into the emergency room, and before a doctor even reaches you, an AI is already analyzing your condition. Sounds unreal? It's happening today. But here's the question. Would you trust artificial intelligence with your life? On one side, a highly trained doctor with years of experience. On the other, an AI that never sleeps, never forgets, and processes information at lightning speed. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the future of medicine. Doctors spend years mastering medicine, making impossible decisions, and caring for people when they're at their most vulnerable. Experience, instinct, and compassion are their greatest strengths. Artificial intelligence learns differently. It can analyze millions of medical records, compare thousands of images, and recognize patterns in seconds. Pretty crazy, right? Round 1, speed. While a doctor carefully reviews scans and test results, AI can compare them against millions of similar cases almost instantly. That's a serious advantage. But is faster always better? Imagine finding a tiny abnormality hidden deep inside a medical scan before anyone else notices. AI is becoming incredibly good at spotting patterns that humans can sometimes miss. That's where things start getting really interesting. But hold up. Here's the plot twist. Everyone keeps asking whether AI will replace doctors. What if that's actually the wrong question? Because the biggest surprise is still coming. Doctors rely on experience, intuition, and understanding people. AI relies on data, algorithms, and endless learning. Both are powerful. But each has strengths the other simply doesn't. Now imagine hearing life-changing medical news. Would you rather hear it from a machine or from someone who can explain, comfort, and stand beside you? That's something technology still can't truly replace. Even the smartest AI has limits. It only knows what it's been trained on. If the data is incomplete, the results can be too. No technology is perfect. And that's an important reality. Here's where the future gets exciting. Instead of competing, doctors and AI are beginning to work together. AI handles the heavy data. Doctors make the final decisions. Together, they could save more lives than ever before. So, who wins? AI dominates in speed and data. Doctors lead in judgment, empathy, and trust. Maybe the future isn't AI versus humans at all. Maybe it's AI with humans. What do you think? If your life depended on it, who would you trust? A doctor, an AI, or both? Let me know in the comments.
One battle ends here and the next one begins. Subscribe to our channel and be updated. Goodbye for now.